Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. Today I'm here with another exciting opportunity, which is called Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Massachusetts is one of the great and leading universities from United States of America, and this institute is offering free online courses, actually free of cost, and there is not even a penny to be paid for these opportunities. You can easily find your whatever you want to apply to, whatever the course you want to choose. There are a list of different courses you can apply to, and as I said, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology is the host university, and the number of courses are undefined. Financial benefits are totally free. There is no actual deadline for the course. If you talk about the list of the courses, they include business, energy, engineering, fine arts, health, medical sciences, humanities, and this and that, blah blah, so much. So financial benefits, it's totally free. You don't need to penny about anything. But let's just be crystal clear. If you want to apply for the course, it's free. If you want to enroll in the course, it's free. If you want to continue your studies until the end and complete the course, it's totally free. But if you want to get a certificate, certain systems do not give a free certificate, and some of them, even I would say very less of them, will give you free e-certificate. Most of them, they don't give e-certificate. When you complete your course, they would say like, you have completed your course, now you have to pay so that we can issue you a certificate. Being honest with you guys, I don't if you talk about myself, I don't really want any certificate. Any certificate won't change my future or my job or whatever. But the thing is, when the learning and the practical experience from which I will get from these courses, that is what matters the most for me. So I don't think if it's free to study, that's all what I need. I don't need any certificate or whatever, but still you can get the certificates. And if you have a kind of thing like which you are not supposed to pay the fees there, they want you to, and so there is also another option which says financial assistance application. This link will be given in the description below. You can click on that link, and you just need to click when you come up right here, you can click on financial assistance application. I will let you know how you can do this, but before that you have to click on this link which says click here, link to official MIT courses. When you click on this link, you will come up right here. They would say register or sign in, so I would recommend you to click on register. When you click on register, you can easily register yourself with all these credentials, and if you cannot even do that, you can just simply click on sign in. And when you click on sign in, you just need to choose another platform from which you are supposed to sign in, which can be Google, which can be Facebook, which can be Microsoft, or anyone, whatever you like. So they will automatically put your credentials in, and you will be all ready to go. As you can see, not even a check, but for the first time they will recommend you that do you want to log in from these accounts or whatever. So that's it, and you are not enrolled in any programs yet, so just click on explore programs. And when you click on explore programs, I am like okay, so first let me just give you a little bit intro about edX. edX is a platform which has like hundreds and thousands of universities, institutions connected with it, and they are offering free education through edX platform. So this is how edX is working with MIT and with all this. As you can see, these are the names of all the universities. So in this we will be talking about MIT. So you just click on MIT, you will be like you will see programs right here. These are different programs MIT is offering. So yes, right here, MIT. Okay, so one another thing I want you to understand is you are supposed to apply on courses which says verified, this green. When you click on, for example, X series, this green verified button will change up to X series, but you cannot apply to these courses because they are not even offering free education. They are saying like, if you want to apply to these courses, then you have to pay for even getting education. But for example, if you choose a course which is verified and which is in green, this sort of button, so as you can see it's free, but add a verified certificate for $49. So for example, just take it $50, and as I told you, there is an option right here which can say it's financial assistance application. So you just need to click on that. You will come up on this page right here, and this is all the thing. You just need to click on apply for financial assistance. These are your credentials, and these are the course which I have chosen. You can choose whatever course you want. This is the annual. Okay, so what is your annual household income? Tell us about your current financial situation. Why do you need assistance? Tell us about your learning or professional goals. How will a verified certificate in this course will help you achieve these goals? Tell us about your plans for this course. What step will you take to help you complete the coursework and receive a certificate? So these are all the things. You just need to click on this I allow edX, this and that, submit application. Okay, so you will be, for example, you have been selected for the financial assistance. So still it is $49. So the 10%, like just confirm that for like $50, make it $50. So the 10% of $50 will be like kind of $10 or something like that, whatever. So you have to pay that amount. Like out of 50 you have to pay $10 if you get financial assistance, and you will be getting the certificate as well, the verified certificate, on $10 in regards of comparison of $50. So these are all the courses MIT is offering. List of different courses. You can explore many courses. These are all the different categories of the courses, and this is not just about MIT. You just need to close on MIT, and when you close on MIT, and you will find different and a lot of courses from different universities. These are the list of universities, one of the top universities in America. So you can find these universities, find the basic course you want to do, and obviously you're in a quarantine, so like make this time a great time to yourself so that you can learn more, and when you learn more in one day you will be earning more. So learn and earn, these are two terms which are directly or indirectly connected to other. So that's it from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You guys can join us on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp groups for notifications. All these links will be given in the description below. Thank you so much. Have a blast. Bye bye.